ram today because my wheel hubs were going out and I need to change them. And I wanted to try to get a before and after of the noise inside the cab. As if you don't know what you're listening for, if you don't know what your vehicle sounds like when the wheel hubs are good, it's kind of hard to tell when they're going bad. But I'm gonna take this thing out, and we got a nice smooth road that I can take it on, that hopefully you can hear the difference between before and after. So and it is coming up on Halloween, so I got me a passenger. So already got the wheel hubs in the back. They are from Detroit Axle. I got them on eBay for like $100 a set. You can find them for a little bit cheaper than that, or a little more depending on where you get it. But I got them back there. So let's get on that road and try to see if we can get that noise. All right, here we go. Get up to speed and then just coast. Well, hopefully you heard that, and I will be splicing them together at the end of the video after the wheel hubs are changed. So hopefully you can really hear the difference in which one. Hopefully you can really hear the difference between what's between good and bad. So let me get back to the house and get these changed. So I'll see you in a bit. All right, the truck is jacked up, and let me show you. The driver's side is one that's actually bad. I will be replacing both of them, but the driver's side's bad. But listen to this side. All right, let's go to the other side. That is definitely not good. So let's get the camera set up and get this off. I am loving these new lug nuts I put on here. All right, now to make it easier, I'm going to put the key in the ignition and be able to turn the wheel. But you can hear that. That is definitely not good. Once the bolts are off, you're going to want to unplug and unmount the ABS sensor. Now, yeah. Plug is up under the behind the fender well over here. There we go. Just unclips everywhere and then pulls out. Now I like to compare the old one and the new one side by side just to make sure. It looks good. And there we go. Now, silent. The only thing you're hearing is the brake pads rubbing up against the rotor. But let's get the other side and we'll be done. That almost smacked the crap out of my knee. Out of my leg. Okay, this one doesn't have an ABS sensor on it. It's weird. I would have thought both of them would have had it. So hopefully this one fits. Or I could just take off that sensor because it should be the same. I found out the wheel hub will still fit with the sensor on, so all I did was just cut off the wire, and I'm gonna line up the sensor with this slot in the dust shield right here. I noticed the rotor was hitting the this dust shield a little bit, so I'm going to be adjusting that a little bit, knocking it back. Okay. That's better. Beautiful. Now let's drop it down, take it for a test drive. All right, it's all back together, so let's take it for a drive. I can already tell the difference. That is a world of difference. Well, there we go. The wheel hubs are replaced and I have a quiet ride again. If you're worried about specific torque numbers for all the hardware you have to take off, I'm sure you can find it online somewhere, but I'm honestly not worried about it. That's why I didn't do it. And once again, with that passenger side hub not having that sensor on there, all I had to do was snip that wire and it fit perfectly. But there it is. If you liked the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.